Well, Beyle was really, I think Beyle and Josh Waletsky, to my mind, were really the leading contemporary Yiddish songwriters of the last, 30, 40 years probably. Maybe I'm missing someone else who I'm going to feel bad about after the interview's over. But, and have them in New York and part of our community just been, it's been, just wonderful. So Bela, is also great because she would write children's songs. So we have those wonderful children's albums that she did of her. And, she was a poet. Um, we were very honored. We helped her win an NEA National Heritage Fellowship Award, which is our nation's highest honor in folk and traditional arts. And so, to be part of that, and I would see Bela at all sorts of community events. Even when she was, late in life, she was still, she still found the koyach, the energy to go out and go to concerts. And that was one, some of my most daunting experiences were performing, performing Yiddish concerts, and who's in the front row? Bela, So, and she was always really, really warm and, I think, accepting of people, and and just so enthusiastic. Having Bela either in the audience or going to an event where Bela was participating as a songwriter, it was also sort of like a good seal of approval. You know, you were sort of being blessed. But blessed on from above that that whatever you were doing was important in some way. Yeah, some authenticity, someone who is really a master of the of these worlds. And so that was always hard. And Bela just spent so much time, helping the revitalization of the culture, through being a teacher at the Shalom Alechem, Shul Ein and Svansik, the Zinger Eyes she would host with the Tzik in her backyard, and just in so many ways was, she was just always there, it was amazing, a woman who was in her 80s, would still be trudging out to Manhattan from the Bronx, to hear a couple kids in their 20s playing playing Yiddish music, and being really warm about that, and sort of, inviting them to, come back, spend time with her, and, it was just such an amazing experience to have that.